Beetroot juice stands out from other vegetables thanks to its deep purple color. Beetroot is rich in potassium, copper, manganese, folate, and B vitamins. Most importantly, beetroot contains more than 50% sodium and only about 5% calcium. The calcium found in red beetroot provides general nourishment for all physiological functions of the body, while its chlorine content acts as an excellent natural cleanser for the liver, kidneys, and gallbladder. When inorganic calcium builds up in blood vessels as a result of consuming cooked foods, which may contribute to high blood pressure and other heart-related problems due to vessel expansion or thickening of the blood, beetroot helps maintain calcium solubility in the body. 9 reasons to drink beetroot juice regularly. Lowers blood pressure. Recent studies show that beetroot juice can effectively lower blood pressure thanks to its sodium content. Beetroot contains 20 times more nitrates than other root vegetables. Beetroot juice stimulates red blood cell production, improves memory especially in people with atherosclerosis, widens blood vessels, and helps normalize blood pressure. Supports bone health. Beetroot juice is an excellent way to help prevent osteoporosis. This disease makes bones extremely fragile. Strengthen your bones with beetroot juice and help protect yourself from skeletal diseases. Balances blood sugar. It is well known that high blood sugar can lead to diabetes. Beetroot juice helps normalize blood sugar levels. To help prevent diabetes, drinking half a glass of beetroot juice every 2 days is enough. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol is a common cause of heart disease. However, this can be prevented with healthy nutrition and by drinking half a glass of fresh beetroot juice daily. It helps lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels, addressing the underlying causes of vascular diseases. Slows down aging. The best way to stay young longer is to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. If you have beetroot, this becomes easier. Beetroot is rich in antioxidants that fight free radicals responsible for wrinkles and aging. Improves brain function. Want to boost your brain power? Drink more beetroot juice. It provides beneficial micronutrients to the brain and improves blood circulation. The nitrates in beetroot are converted into nitric oxide, a substance known to improve brain function. For hypertension, beetroot juice is considered one of the best natural remedies. Helps fight cancer. Hungarian scientists believe that fresh beetroot juice may improve the condition of patients with malignant tumors. They recommend drinking no more than 100 milliliters of beetroot juice per day. The juice can be made from both the roots and young leaves of the beetroot. It is better to leave fresh beetroot juice in the refrigerator for a few hours, remove the foam from the top, and mix it with carrot juice in a 1:4 ratio before drinking. Increases endurance. This is a very important benefit, especially for people who work hard or engage in intense physical activity. In such cases, beetroot juice becomes indispensable. Just 100 grams of beetroot juice a day can significantly increase endurance levels. Helps with weight loss. Beetroot juice is an excellent aid for weight loss because of its fiber content. The fiber in beetroot helps you feel full for a longer time. The more beetroot you consume, the less likely you are to overeat. Fiber is also beneficial for healthy bowel movements. How should beetroot juice be drunk correctly? Pure beetroot juice may cause mild dizziness or nausea when consumed for the first time. Experience shows that it is better to start with a mixture that contains mostly carrot juice, then gradually increase the proportion of beetroot juice over time. This allows the body to slowly adapt to its beneficial cleansing effects. A mixture of carrot and beetroot juice is considered one of the best natural builders of blood cells, especially red blood cells. The recommended amount of beetroot juice is no more than 1 to 1.5 wine glasses per serving, up to twice a day. How to store beetroot juice properly? The best juice is freshly squeezed juice. The ideal method is to prepare fresh juice from washed beetroot roots, leave it in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours, and drink it in small portions. Fresh beetroot juice can also be pasteurized at 80 to 85 degrees Celsius for a few minutes, poured into jars, and sealed with lids.